Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What I want to do on this episode is talk about the only crypto wallet you will ever need, and that is the Tangem Wallet. So if you guys do own this wallet, please comment down below. Give me your thoughts and opinion on this wallet. Is this something that hit your expectations, succeeded, or missed? All I can do is talk about my own experience. And, I've used a lot of different crypto wallets, as you guys have seen here on the channel. I get sent wallets at least once a month. And this wallet, I tend to bring with me all the time. So I'm going to talk about it more. If you guys do get something out of this video, like, comment, subscribe. You guys know what to do. And also, please check out the channel. We have tons of videos I just did, but also hit up the link tree. And in the link tree, of course, if you guys are not using cold storage, I'll talk about it in this video. But guys, pick up a Tangem wallet, use code Moose. Guys, for $50, you can protect your crypto. So we'll talk about how and why you would want to do that, okay? So ultimately, I want to get into a couple of points here. So what is a Tangem wallet, and why is this the best wallet in my eyes? So when you set up a crypto wallet, if you set up something like a Coinbase, crypto.com, or you set up a mobile wallet on your phone, the problem is that your seed phrase, your private keys, are held online. So if somebody hacks your wallet, they can sign a transaction and send tokens away. They could steal from you. Whereas if you set up a cold wallet, a hardware wallet, cold storage option, I like the Tangem. It's simple to set up. We'll talk about that. But your private keys are held offline. Okay, so when you set up this wallet, your tokens, the access that you get to be able to sign a transaction, you have to physically tap the device and know the password. Whereas if it's all on your phone, on your computer, you could be quickly out of luck. So for anybody, please begin to use a non-custodial hardware wallet. It's vital, okay? So why else do I like this wallet? Obviously, the price is good. We have links for you. Make sure you guys order it from a reputable website, from a good spot. So here we have the links for you. There are these awesome colors too. So if you get into the 3-card set, maybe you guys kind of like this limited edition set here. I really like the blue one. I love the blue one. Maybe I'll have to do some more unboxing videos, but I'm really digging the color. So, you get 3 cards. If you go that route, you get 2 cards if you want, but ultimately you can set it up in a non-custodial fashion, where you have your private keys. You truly own your crypto. And guys, it's so vital. We're at a critical point now in crypto where I believe, so right now we are, June 24th, 2025. Guys, crypto is only going to go up from here. The good stuff, right? The Bitcoins of the world, the Solanas, I think they're going to do well. The worst thing that can happen is that you go to look at your portfolio, or you go to your wallet and somebody hacked your wallet. So guys, please protect your crypto. It's very simple. And I help you out as much as I can on this channel. Guys, go to the channel, type in Tangem, or type in Tangem Wallet Crypto Moose. A bunch of videos will come up. I have step-by-step tutorials. I have videos on the best crypto wallets. Tangem Ring. If you guys want the ring, use the ring. If you guys want to learn how to send crypto to your Tangem, I did a video on that as well. So where is that video? How to order. I have videos on how to order sending crypto. So how to send crypto to your Tangem. We have 33,000 people that we potentially helped out there. How to set up using a seed phrase. That's the video I want you guys to watch. So if you're wondering, I've never used crypto, I don't know how to set this up, I have tutorials on that for you right here on the channel. Okay, so my goal is to make this simple and easy for you. This is easy to promote. I love this wallet. It's been over a year now, and I carry it with me everywhere I go. So I don't know. I really love Tangem, and I love helping you guys out. And I love hearing stories where people are like, I'm using my crypto. And the less I hear from people is good, because if I don't hear anything about the wallet, it means it's working. Okay. So, guys, it's simple to set up, simple to use. All you have to do is download the app, you tap your phone. It's easy. So, that is going to be NFC technology. You do not need a battery. So, guys, you toss this in your wallet. I just want to make sure I don't show any critical info. You literally fit it in your wallet. It's the same size as a credit card. So, I have a few in here. Very thin. So, it's a beauty, man. It's a beauty. It's about as lean as the moose is going to get this summer. So, pretty awesome there. What else do we have here on my notes? Yeah, it's very small. If you guys, again, if you want to pick one up, use code Moose. Head over to the link tree. Also, I do have something else to share with you. I have a recovery seed sheet. So if you guys want, you can download this, write down your seed phrase. Okay, so you can back it up. But ultimately, give me your thoughts and opinions, guys. Check out the other links. We have online courses. But ultimately, please, if you guys can, please don't ruin the video, Moose. Catch it. Pick up a Tangem wallet. It's the best wallet for 50 bucks. Guys, 50 bucks USD. You can protect your crypto. It's a good gift for loved ones that want to get into the space. So that being said, guys, the moose is loose. Protect your crypto. Love you all.